Hello friends and welcome back to my beautiful gardening life. This is Ansi and today is an unboxing video. I recently purchased this lovely plant from a seller in Kerala, and this is the Philodendron Giganteum Variegata, and it's the marbled variety. When I saw the pic in the story that was uploaded by this seller on Instagram, I was like blown away, and it's like I wanted to have this plant. And with communication with him, this is the delivery that I have got. So let us see how it looks and what is the root system like. Okay, here it is. This is, I think, the top cutting of the plant, and it has been propagated with respect to the aerial roots, because I think the aerial roots have been growing as the root system has developed from the aerial roots. But a beautiful plant. See the variegation on the leaves. This is the marbled variety, which is in and preferred by plant collectors. I had looked for another plant from another seller, but that was costlier than this, so this was suiting my budget, and the number of leaves were also 5, so I picked it up. Very happy about the variegation on the leaves. The stems also show the variegation, but I'm more interested in knowing the roots and the development of the roots of this plant. So let's check that out. Okay, there is a new leaf that is in the picture, and I want to check the roots. Possibly propagated by wrapping moss around the plant. So this is one aerial root. This is another one that has gone bad. Okay, so I have to cut this off. I'll do that. Yeah, this is purely the aerial roots that have been growing possibly in the soil, like how you push the aerial roots in the soil so it develops more roots. I think that is how the plant is being propagated. Clearly a top cutting. With okay or a good root system, I think it will survive in my garden, and this is how it looks. Beautiful plant and beautiful variegation. I'm so happy to add this in my collection. So soon I'll share an update of this plant with you. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again in the next one. Till then, bye.